kids. Jobs and occupation. What do you do?
I'm a doctor. I'm a doctor. What do you do?
I'm an artist. I'm an artist. What do you do?
I'm a chef. I'm a chef. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher.
What do you do?
I'm a photographer. I'm a photographer. What do you do?
I'm a firefighter. I'm a firefighter. What do you do?
I'm a singer. I'm a singer. What do you do?
I'm an engineer. I'm an engineer.
What do you do?
I'm a police. I'm a police.
What do you do?
I'm a dentist. I'm a dentist.
What do you do?
I'm a farmer. I'm a farmer.
What do you do?
I'm a pilot. I'm a pilot.
What do you do?
I'm an astronaut. I'm an astronaut. What do you do?
I'm a flight attendant. I'm a flight attendant.
What do you do?
I'm a tailor. I'm a tailor.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.